If your roofing company's website is making this one critical mistake, you're losing clients every single day, and you don't even know it. Stick with me because in the next minutes, I'm going to reveal the number one website mistake that's costing you business and how to fix it fast. Let's dive in. Hey, welcome back to Roof Devs, where we help roofing companies like yours dominate the market with killer online strategies. I'm Rakib. And if you're a roofing pro looking to land more clients, you've come to the right place. Today, we're tackling a hidden problem that's silently sabotaging your website's potential. This isn't just theory. I've seen it cost businesses thousands in lost leads. Let's get into it. So, what's the number one website mistake costing your roofing company clients? It's a lack of trust and clarity, specifically a website that doesn't prove you're the go-to expert. In your area, here's why this happens. No niching down. Are you just another roofer or the specialist for metal roofs in Austin? Clients pick specialists over generalists. Missing social proof. No before and after photos, case studies, or testimonials. Clients won't trust you. Weak reputation. No face, no name, no story. Why should they choose you over the guy down? The street? Friction and conversions. If your contact form is buried or your call to action is weak, like a tiny call now button, clients bounce. I've seen roofing sites load slowly, hide their phone number, or skip showcasing past projects, and it's a deal breaker. According to studies, 75% of users judge a company's credibility based on design alone. If your site doesn't scream, "Trust me," you're losing jobs to competitors. So how do you fix this? Let's break it down, niche down, highlight your specialty, expert in storm damage repair, or top shingle roofers in Austin. Show your work. Add a portfolio with before and afters, case studies, or client testimonials. Nothing builds. Trust like results. Build your reputation. Put your face and story on the About page. Clients love a personal connection. Make it frictionless. Add bold CTAs like "get a free quote now" with a big, easy to find button. Speed up your site too. Aim for under 3 seconds load time. These changes turn visitors into clients. I helped a roofing company in USA boost leads by 40% just by tweaking their site like this. Proof it works. Listen, this one mistake could be bleeding your roofing business dry. Fix it and watch your client list grow. Want more insider tips like this? Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a video. And hey, download our free roofing website checklist in the description to audit your site. Today, drop a comment, tell me the biggest struggle with your website, and I'll personally reply. Thanks for watching, Roof Devs crew. Let's build your success together. See you in the next one.